Amma.
So, Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Coconut rice.
Okay, are the ingredients ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So for coconut rice, we will be taking about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and let it heat for a while. Now we will be adding about 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, next we will be adding about 2 teaspoons of urad dal and 2 teaspoons of chana dal as well. And we will let both of these fry until the dal turns light brownish in color. Next we will be adding about 1 green chilli chopped in small pieces and 1 strand of curry leaves into the pan and let the curry leaves splutter. Next we have added some salted peanuts to it. Now we have not exactly measured how much we have added. You can add it according to your preference. It is near about 200 grams, a little less than 200 grams. Next we have added about 1 cup of grated coconut into the pan. Now we will saute it well and roast the coconut a little bit. Next we will be adding salt to taste and saute it well. Last but not the least, we have added about 1.5 cups of rice to the pan and saute it well. And your coconut rice is ready. Serve it hot.
If you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share
comments,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Cooking with Amma.
And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye. Happy eating.